Well, you guys know the Bay City Rollers. Or how about Elton John? All right, Saturday night, it's all right for fighting. Bay City Rollers, Saturday night, Saturday night. All right, Rebecca, was her name Rebecca Black? She was a young little girl. About like 10 years ago, she sang about Friday, Friday. Oh, man, who sings about Sunday or Monday? You know, there's songs out there. But anyway, I'm just kind of cranking away on this fine Saturday morning as I sit here with you fine folks and have a little breakfast. I don't eat too much because if I do, I get real bleh. I just want to sit back. And like I said, Al Bundy, I want to put my hands down my pants and just sit and hang out with you folks. That ain't creepy. All right. So, no, we're having a good old time here, me, myself, and I. Okay. I like to have somewhat of a routine every morning or afternoon, every evening. If you work 9 to 5, you know, you can get into a routine, you know, get up, brush those little teethies, get the kids and get yourself to work 9 to 5, have a little lunch in between, get home. I don't know, maybe make dinner, or if you're single, watch dinner or cook dinner while watching something, or maybe cooking something while watching something. I mean, whatever. But you get into a routine, don't you? And even this fine Saturday, I have the day off. I own my own business, actually, so it's up to me if I want to, kind of spank myself and go, come on now, get your butt to work there, young man. Get to this beautiful man cave that I've built full of Hot Wheels and Legos, and should you post? Should you do some emails? Okay, or maybe do a video like this, what you're watching, okay? I like to do it all. And the more that I do emailing or posting, I just get better at it, that's all. And you will too, okay? Because I want you to be successful in Live Good and some other businesses that complement Live Good and get me signups and make me money. Let's just be perfectly clear. I do things that make me money now. I do screw off and build Legos and have little recommendations, what really gets you motivated in the morning. And usually it involves probably sugar. Almond milk, I'm a big fan of almond milk. I don't drink cow milk. If it's there, great. But I drink about almost a half gallon a day. So I drink about 3 to 4 gallons of almond milk a week. Okay, there's one tip. Do the unsweetened one because it tastes just like milk. I love it. All right. Maybe have a sucker. All right. Do you guys like suckers? Let's see. Do you like sour apple? Or do you like the ones that are, I don't know, the Charms Blow Pops? I just got these for my birthday because it was my birthday a few days ago. My friend Tina bought me these. All right. So I can do a little green one or a little purple one. All right. They're both good. So maybe have a sucker now and then. All right. How do you be mad and get in a fight and yell and scream while you have a sucker in your mouth? All right, you have your favorite football game on, or maybe you're watching the news. Maybe someone's just, ooh, you just want to go, ah, put a sucker in your mouth. It's all good after that. Okay, there is a tip on how to get signups and Live Good. Okay, another tip, why don't you make some business cards first? I don't want you to talk about Live Good. I want you to invite people to videos already made. Now, if you go to the right side of your screen, joincory.com, guys, if you join my team, I want you to buy your own domain at GoDaddy, okay? If you have a domain already, great. If not, joincory.com, it was open. I bought it for about 11 bucks. Cory Draper on the left. I bought that like 30 years ago. I've had it forever. And if you go to it, you're going to see all my income opportunities that all complement Live Good, okay? Because if you're watching this video, you probably saw somewhere that mentioned Live Good. So if you're in Live Good, great. If not, I want you to at least watch the little movie, the little video, and see if you're interested, okay? I've got it down to a science at this point. Not that I have a system, maybe it is a routine. Whatever I'm doing seems to work, okay? And if something doesn't work, it's out of here, okay? Everything that is working, making me money, and getting me views, clicks, and just a great response. But no doubt about it, guys, when you're making money, and it could be 20 bucks, 50 bucks. Yesterday, I made like $600-700, and I didn't even know it till the end of the day when I checked my email. Today, I've made some money, and you can see this screen. I just like to show it's live. It is the statistics page of Live Good. So when you sign up You have your own website, right? You got a capture page, which I'll show you, products, customer service, credit card processing, returns. Guys, everything is just turnkey mode for $49.95. Gosh almighty, guys. What a business. Okay? $40 one and done. If you have two $20 bills, guys, that's all it takes to be an affiliate for life. Unless you call up, or not call, but unless you contact customer support at livegood.com. Get me out of LiveGood. Take me out of the Matrix or the Cotex or whatever the hell it's called. Take me out of the downline. I'm out of here. If you just quit paying, no big deal. It's only $10 a month. If you take 6 months off and start paying the $9.95 again, guys, you're an affiliate and a member again. You can start earning money. And of course, you can buy products. All right. So take your time, relax. I don't freak out. I don't say you got to hustle and bustle and grind. I can say all that stuff, and all you're going to do is equate it to work, and you're going to go, sounds like a headache type thing. You guys, just join. Okay, if you're not in LiveGood, just do it. We got 2,500 to 3,000 people per day joining worldwide. Guys, they can only sign up underneath, like myself, an affiliate, like you. Let's get you being an affiliate for that $40. That's it. And then for $10 a month, why don't we try to focus on making $100 to $500? Would you spend $10 a month? You go to your favorite bank. It's an ATM. You put your debit credit card in. Or let's just say you put a $10 bill in. And all of a sudden, boom, $100 pops out. And then a month or two later, wonder if $500 pops out. Would that freak you out? Because that's how I equate this business. Put a little effort in, make it fun, screw off a little bit, relax. People want to have a good time. It's almost 2025. Let's kick things off fresh. And I mean for real. There's enough negativity in your life. You guys all know this stuff. But right now you can see I've signed up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 people in the last couple weeks. Okay, if you look at the left of my screen, you can see February right around and today is the 14th. Okay, so in a couple weeks, it's nice to know that 11 people, almost one a day, has just sat down, looked at LiveGood, and said, you know what, I like what I see. This wacko that wears yellow and has business cards and he promotes chewing on suckers and drinking almond milk. All right? I like that you trust me and want to be in my group so that I can send you email about what is working for me. Okay, this blue screen is CoryDraper.com. Okay? If you click it, I think you guys will kind of enjoy how simple it is. And guess what? It's free. You can get this exact page. Don't cost nothing. Just go, see the very bottom, it says Linktree. I want you to go to Linktree and make a little page like this, because if you have information, like let's say a Facebook page, see, you can put your Facebook link, Instagram, X, YouTube, TikTok-y. All right? Let's make you one. They're all free. You should get all forms of social media. Why not? Okay, and if you like Facebook the most like I do, then post on Facebook in the beginning. If you're shy and don't want to do video, why don't you do email? All right, my lead gen, I send out 100,000 emails per day. I have 7 accounts with them because it's only $30 a month per account. In my experience, I can only storytell, I easily make $30 an account. So if it only costs me $25 for 3,000 to 6,000 leads, what am I going to do? Go to Taco Bell, go to Denny's, go to any average restaurant. It's going to cost you, $25 with a tip. I don't need to go and munch that badly. I would rather save up $30 and go get more leads, especially when you're talking 3,000 to 6,000 email leads where people are coming to you asking, do you have any type of business that, makes me money at home on my cell phone? And then when they find out that LiveGood has some nice products for wholesale, why not buy your products from LiveGood? They're better than anything on the shelf. You can go to Walmart, you can go to Amazon, do whatever you want. But I'll tell you what, I prefer paying wholesale pricing, okay, for stuff that's organic and way more high powered than, just the status quo. All right. So CoryDraper.com, click that Welcome to LiveGood. Okay. And if you do join, boom, this is how you're going to do it. All right. This is my capture page. You can either go to joincory.com or CoryDraper.com and go ahead and put your name and email address in. Just click reserve my position. That doesn't mean you've joined yet. Just means I'm going to send you an email. And inside that email, if you want to join, you can join. Okay. Watch this YouTube video too. 6 minutes. It's our CEO, Ben Glinsky. Cool dude. He's helped me sign up almost 400 people. I got 400 maniacs in this good old business called Live Good. Okay? Right here on the leaderboard, you can see out of 1.6 million people. Right now, I'm about number 27. And I have no doubt I'm going to get up here near the top 10. I'm going to sign up another few hundred people in good old 2025, if not more. So yeah, to be top 10, that would be awesome. You can see Philippines and good old Jeff from America and Danielle from Canada. But look at all these countries. Holy mackerel. Look at all those little maniacs just joining, okay? So anyway, I just want you to have some nice success. That's all. Okay. Am I asking too much? I just want you to kick some butt, sign some people up. I want you to buy some of these products. Okay. So go to the products page when you go to livegood.com. Look at all our products. Even at the bottom, you can buy some shirts and hats and a little plastic thing that you can stick something in and it vibrates. It's only $5 if you remember. Beanie cap, little hoodie if it's getting a little chilly. All right. And then after the products page, go to the FAQ. A lot of questions right here. Click any of them. They're answered for you right there. Then go to the very bottom of your cell phone or your computer screen. It's going to say affiliate pay plan or pay plan. Here's how we get paid on the membership side. We don't have to buy a darn thing to make commissions as an affiliate. We're a membership company. We're like Amazon, Costco, all right, a country club. Pay your membership, come on inside, enjoy the benefits. Go to the very bottom of the pay plan link and just totally watch this video. Trying to read all this crap, who cares? It's boring. No one even knows what this means. 2.5 of this, and your matrix goes with the Cotex, and the diamond you put into the balsa wood. No one cares. Go to the bottom and watch. There's nothing like a YouTube video produced by the company that you can just get yourself a nice little drink and watch this video. It's not very long. I think it's like 8 or 9 minutes or something, but it explains exactly how we get paid. Okay, because that's what you want to know. All right, I like Live Good. Sounds good. I can afford $49.95. Cory, you're my man. High five. All right, you wear pea-yellowed clothing. Okay? And of course, I'm going to email you everything under the sun, what makes me successful. Okay? And you can go to CoryDraper.com and check out all my opportunities there. They all make me rise, shine, kick ass, and go like this. Who's your dad? I do all this stuff. All right, to little baby Live Good, which I should be thrown in prison for. But I like to be successful if I'm going to do something. I'm not going to lie. I don't want to spend a lot of time and just completely suck at something. I mean, come on now. If there's a garden hose, I'm not. I'm going to water something. All right, I'm not going to suck at that damn thing. Okay, I want you to kick ass. There's no reason why you can't be successful and live good. 1.6 million people have joined over the last 2 years. We have 2,500 people signing up a day. And guys, money is being made. Money is being spent on products. Okay? And right now, it's up to you. But please, go to joincory.com. I'll just hold up my little business card I made. Okay? Just go. Go there now. Go to CoryDraper.com too. Watch those little videos. That all they are is just little videos about opportunities and what those software companies or tools or funnels do. Okay? And then get back with me if you want to join something awesome. And if not, guys, I'm not shy. Cory at CoryDraper.com. Okay? All right, man, I'm done. 13 minutes. 14, wait, I got to wait 5 seconds. Should I edit out that burp? I'm probably not going to. Is it okay? All right. If you're good to me, how would you like a sucker? Do you want one? Come on. Who's your daddy? Oh, my God. I give myself a headache sometimes. Okay. I got to go. Bye.